Hello students, let's do some short questions on matrices and determinants. If a matrix A is given, we have one row and three columns, 1, 2 and 3. Three elements we have to find the value of A into A transpose. This is A transpose. We can write it as like this also. What is A transpose? If we change the rows and columns of matrix A, interchange rows and column, we get A transpose. Now, what will be A transpose? Row 1 will be changed in column 1, 2 and 3. This is A transpose. Now, we have to find A into A transpose. What is A? 1, 2, 3 and A transpose is 1, 2 and 3. The order of matrix A is 1 by 3. We have one row and three columns, and the order of A transpose is 3 by 1. 3 rows and 1 column. Column of A is same as rows of A transpose. So multiplication is defined. How many elements will be there in A into A transpose? 1 multiplied by 1. We will get only one element. Now A into A transpose. It will be 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2 plus 3 into 3. What do we get? 1 plus 4 plus 9, that is 14 is our answer. If a matrix A is given, we have 3 rows and 3 columns, 0, 2, minus 3, 2, 0, minus 1, B, 1 and 0. These are the elements of the matrix. It is given that this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Find the value of A and B. What is a skew symmetric matrix? If transpose of matrix A is equals to A, the matrix is symmetric matrix. And if transpose of matrix A is equals to minus A, the matrix will be skew symmetric matrix. Now, this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. It means the transpose of this matrix, that is A transpose. What is A transpose? Interchange of rows and columns of matrix A. First row as first column, second row as second column, and third row as third column. This is A transpose, and this is equals to what? Minus A. And what is minus A? Negative of matrix A. Negative of 0 is 0. Here we have minus A, 3. Minus of minus 3 is 3. Minus 2, 0. Minus of minus 1, 1. Minus B, minus 1 and 0. Now, A transpose is equals to minus A. If two matrices are equal, it means their corresponding elements are equal. Now check. We have A here. A will be equals to minus 2. What about B? B is third element of first row. B will be equals to 3. This is our answer. If our determinant is given, the elements are x plus 1, x minus 1, x minus 3 and x plus 2. It is a determinant of order 2 by 2. Is equals to another determinant 4, minus 1, 1 and 3. We have to find the value of x. Bache, if we have matrix here, then the corresponding elements are equal. But this is not the case in case of determinant. What we will do? These two determinants are equal given. First we will find the determinant of left hand side. So in our left hand side we will have x plus 1 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x minus 3, x into x square plus 2x plus x plus 2 minus x square minus 3x minus x plus 3, x square plus 2x plus x, we have 3x plus 2 minus x square, minus sign outside, the sign inside will change, we will have minus 4x, minus sign outside, we will get plus 4x and minus 3. X square and x square both get cancelled. We have 7x minus 1. This is our left hand side determinant of this left hand side. Right hand side, we have 4 minus 1, 1 and 3. 4 into 3 minus 1 into 1. 12 plus 1, 13. Now, this left hand side is equals to right hand side. It is given. So, left hand side is 7x minus 1, which is equals to 13. 7x equals to 13 plus 1, that is 14. And the value of x is 14 by 7. 2 is the value of x. If a matrix is given, a matrix of 2 by 2, 2 rows and 2 columns, the elements are cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. If this is matrix A plus A transpose is I. A is cos alpha minus sin alpha, cos alpha, plus A transpose. What is A transpose? Interchange of rows and columns. Row 1 will become column 1 and row 2 will become column 2, cos alpha. A plus A transpose is equals to I. What is I? Identity matrix. Our matrix is of the order 2 by 2. So, identity matrix must have the order 2 by 2. So, identity matrix is 1, 0 and 0, 1. Now, we have to add these two matrices. The corresponding elements will be added. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha, minus sin alpha plus sin alpha, 0. Sin alpha plus minus sin alpha, 0. Cos alpha plus cos alpha, 2 cos alpha. This is equals to 1, 0, 0 and 1. On equating the corresponding elements, what will we get? These are zeros. We will get 2 cos alpha equals to 1. What is cos alpha? 1 by 2. And which value of cos is 1 by 2? Cos 60 degree or pi by 3? Cos alpha is equals to cos pi by 3, that is 60 degree. So alpha is pi by 3. This is our answer. If a matrix A, a matrix of 2 by 2 is given, elements are 6, 2, 12 and 4. We have to find whether this matrix is non-singular, singular, symmetric or none of these. Now, what is non-singular matrix? But if a matrix is called a non-singular matrix, if determinant of A is not equals to 0 and a matrix is called singular matrix if the determinant of A is 0. What about symmetric? A matrix is a symmetric matrix if transpose of A is A. We have to check out of these options. Let's first find out the determinant of this matrix. We have 6 into 4 minus 2 into 12. 6 4s are 24 minus 24. The determinant is 0. So, this is a singular matrix. So option B is our correct option. If A is an invertible matrix of order 3 by 3, invertible matrix means inverse of matrix A is possible. And when is inverse possible? If A is a non-similar matrix. And what is non-similar matrix? The determinant of A will not be equals to 0. Now, if we have A as non-similar matrix, square matrix, we have square matrix 3 by 3 is the order. If A is a non-similar matrix of, let order n, let we have a square non-similar matrix of order n, then determinant of adjoint A is equals to determinant of A power n minus 1. Now in this case we have to find adjoint of A. The determinant of A is given 5. We have order 3 by 3. So adjoint determinant of adjoint A will be determinant of A to the power 3 minus 1. So determinant of adjoint A will be determinant of A is 5, 5 की power 2, that is 25 is our answer. If A is a square matrix of order 3 such that adjoint of A का determinant is given 64, we have to find the determinant of A. बच्चे we know if A is a square matrix of order A and A must be invertible, that is it must be non-singular matrix, then determinant of adjoint A is equals to determinant of A की power n minus 1 if we have order n. The order of matrix A is n. This is our formula. Now adjoint A, in this case our order is 3, will be equals to determinant of A की power 3 minus 1. Determinant of adjoint A is 64, is determinant of A की power 2. So what will be the value of determinant of A? Plus minus 8. This is our answer. If A is a square matrix of order 3 and the determinant of A is given 9, we have to find the determinant of 2 times adjoint A. बच्चे, what is adjoint A? What is adjoint A? Adjoint A is transpose of cofactors of elements of matrix A. This is adjoint A. Now A is a square matrix of order 3. Adjoint A will also be a square matrix of order 3. Now adjoint A is also a matrix. What we have to find? We have to find determinant of 2 times adjoint A. 2 times adjoint A means we have to find the determinant. We have order 3, means we have 3 rows and 3 columns. We will take out 2 from each row as common. We have 3 rows, so we will get 2 की power 3 outside. Adjoint A is left with determinant sign. Clear? Now, what will be the value of adjoint A determinant? Adjoint A determinant will be equals to determinant of A to the power 3 minus 1. Because if we have a matrix with power n, then determinant of adjoint A is equals to determinant of A की power n minus 1. Now adjoint A determinant will be equals to determinant of A की power 2, that is 9 की power 2, 81. Now what will be the value of 2 times adjoint A determinant? 2 की power 3 into adjoint A, 81. We have 8 into 81, 648 is our answer. the number of all possible matrices of order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1. We have to find how many matrices we can write. The order must be 3 by 3 and the entries can be 0 or 1. A matrix with order 3 by 3, it means we will have 3 rows and 3 columns. We have to fill 9 places. But you must have studied in class 11 the principle of mathematical counting. We have to fill 9 places. First place can be filled in how many ways? 2 ways. We can either write 0 or we can write 1. Similarly, second place can be filled in how many ways? 2 ways. We have only 2 elements, 0 or 1. All the 9 places can be filled in how many ways? 2 ways. So what will be the total number of ways to fill these elements? 2 into 2 into 2 up to 9 times. So how many matrices can we make? 2 की power 9. The number of all possible matrices are 2 की power 9, that is 512. In case you can fill the elements by numbers 1, 2 and 3. If you get number 0, 1 and 2, you can fill 3 elements. Now, in that case, first place can be filled in how many ways? 3 ways. Similarly, second, 3 ways. All the places can be filled in how many ways? 3 ways. In that case, the number of elements will be 3 की power 9. Clear? Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are given. A is 3, 8. Let we have triangle ABC. Vertices of B are -4 and 2 and the C are 5 and 1. How can we find the area of triangle? Using determinants. Area of triangle is 1 by 2 into determinant of 3, 8 minus 4, 2, 5 and 1. In column 3 we will write 1, 1 and 1. Now we will find the determinant. 3, 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. We have -8. Keep it aside. -4 into 1. -1 into 5. Plus 1. 4 into 1. -2 into 5. We have 1 by 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into 3, 3. -8 into -4 and -5, -9. Plus 1 into -4 and -10, -14. So we have 1 by 2, 3 plus 72 minus 14. 75 minus 14, that is 61 by 2 square units is the area of triangle.